Hello children, today I have come with a very interesting story for all of you because we're going to see lot of toys in the story. Okay, ready? But before that, we're going to do a magic. We're going to bring toys here. Ready? So let's do the magic. Abracadabra, toys! We've got two toys, a train and a teddy bear. But what shall we do with the train and the teddy bear? Let's make the teddy bear sit on the train and let the train go kuch. Yes, idea is good, right? So come on, let's say abracadabra, chick-book. Ready? Abracadabra, chick-book. Wow, a train is moving very smoothly. So now let's get into the story. What's the name of the story? Pepper wants too many toys. So Pepper wants a lot of toys. Okay? So what happened? One day, Pepper and Pepper's mom went to a shop. In that shop, there was a shelf full of toys, very colorful and very interesting toys. So Pepper loved to watch the toy. Now when Pepper was trying to pick up a toy, Pepper's mom said, "Pepper, let's go." And now, was Pepper ready to go? He liked a chuggy train in the shop. He picked up the chuggy train and he said, "Chuggy." And now what did mom say? "No, Pepper, you have a chuggy at home." Already Pepper has a chuggy train at home. So mama wasn't ready to buy a train again. Okay. But now Pepper, he kept the chuggy train back in the shelf and he saw a teddy bear and he said, Teddy. Now mom said, "Pepper, you have 4 teddies at home. Come along now." So she said, "See, you already have 4 trains at home. Now why are you asking for again?" And now Pepper, he started to cry. How did he cry? Wah! He started to cry. And now Mama said, "Stop crying, Pepper. We can't buy toys every day. See, we can't keep buying toys every day." And now Pepper said, "But I want a new toy." He started to cry again. Now Mama said, "Okay, I've got an idea." And she told her idea. What idea was that? She told, "How about a toy party, Pepper?" So she suggested for a toy party. And now Pepper liked it and he said, I like it." So he was very happy to have a toy party. Okay, so he invited all his friends to come with the toy. So what is a toy party? A toy party is one where you invite all your friends to come along with a toy from their home. So they'll come with their toy and you'll share your toys with your friends and you'll have lot of fun. So all his friends came. Who all came? His friend Ducky came, Kangaroo came, Rabbit came. All of them came with different and very special toys. Of all those toys, Pepper liked the tall giraffe and he said, "Wow, a tall giraffe." He was very happy to see the tall giraffe. And his friends, they started telling, see, one friend bought a xylophone and he said, "Pepper, see, oh, look what I got." And the other friend, he showed his toy and he told, "See what I have." And everybody started showing their toys to Pepper. Okay, now Pepper was very happy and they all shared the toys. They moved the toys here and then they made sounds like wee, zurr, zoom. And they enjoyed playing with the toys. Okay, and after they played, it was time to leave to their house. Now Pepper, he said bye to his friends. But before that, what did he say? He said, "That was fun. Bye. But can we do it again?" he asked to his friends. So all their friends, they said bye and they said, "Sure, Pepper, whenever you want. Whenever you want to have a toy party, just give us a call. We'll come with our toys," they said. And they all left to their home. And now it was time to clean up. So Pepper and Pepper's mom put the toys back in the toy basket. Okay, this is how you all have to do too. So Pepper, "Let's tidy up," said mom, and Pepper picked up all the toys and put it in the toy basket after playing. Okay, so after that he was so happy and he went to sleep. Okay, and that's the end of the story. Did you all like it? Yes? Okay, now as usual I have a question for you. What is it? Suppose you are going for a fancy dress party. What would you like to dress up as? Just think and get back with your interesting answers. I'm very eager to listen to you all. Okay? Bye bye.